Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'll be making a 3-ingredient lemon pepper baked chicken legs. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, y'all already know I'm about to wash these legs up. I'm gonna use vinegar and water and let it sit. Once it's done sitting for about 10 minutes, I'm gonna rinse it off and drain it just like this. Y'all know I love washing my chicken. If I don't wash anything else, I wash some chicken. All right, so we're gonna be using It's Lit My Spice lemon pepper is what we're gonna use on the chicken, and some brown sugar for flavor, color, and a little sweetness. So you want to put the spice all over the chicken. This is a lot of legs, that's why I'm using so much of the lemon pepper. I have about 12 legs in here. Look how beautiful my spice is on those legs. But anyway, you also want to add the brown sugar, mix it up, and allow it to marinate for about 30 minutes to up to overnight. Mine's only marinated for like an hour, and then that was it. So you want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You're going to bake these for a minimum of about 40 to 45 minutes. It could be less, it could be more depending on the strength of your oven. And these are what they look like. How beautiful are these chicken legs, y'all? They're so perfect. In the middle of the cooking time, what I did was I picked up the juices from the pan and poured it over the chicken. And that also helped to keep it nice and moist. And I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye, guys.